You don't actually have to make your boho braids to look perfect, Sometimes it's messy, but it looks perfect. Alright. So let's get right to the video. I'm going to teach you how to make your boho braids, boho knotless braid in the best way, whether perfect, whether messy, but perfect. Now first thing, get your bending rulers and get attachment that you need to use. Just wrap the attachment on the bending rulers. Once you are done, you are going to get something like this. After that, add hot water to it. So allow the bending rollers and the attachment to dry. Now it's dry. Now let's make our boho braids. So unravel the attachment from the bending rollers, and guys, you're seeing coils. I hope you're seeing it. So once you have unraveled it, you make your knotless braid. And there are so many ways that you can achieve this, but this is one of the ways, and I'm showing you. This is one of the ways to make it. Like I said, you don't always have to be perfect for you to get a nice boho braid. Sometimes it's messy, but it's still perfect. Now let's make our knotless braid. Now section the parts that you want to make. If you want to make knotless braid, remember it's just to secure the roots first. After securing the root, I've detangled the coils, the attachment. So take one of it and add to the braids that you're doing, and keep doing it. Just keep adding like the way I'm doing. Just follow up and see what I'm doing. You can also use normal attachment to make your knotless braid, then you start adding the coils to it later. For this one, I'm using the coils attachment to add. So follow up and see what I'm doing. Enjoy the rest of the process. If you miss the first step, now this is it. When you have secured the root of the hair you are making, which is a knotless braid, you take an extension, which can be coiled extension or just a plain attachment, and start making your knotless braid. Now if you are using a coiled extension, when you add a coiled extension, just make sure you leave one part of it, and it can either be left. If you are starting from the left, the second one you have to add should be for the right, and you keep doing it till you make the full hair. In that way, the coils is going to look uniform, and without having to be only left or only right, just left and right, left and right. In that way, you are going to get a nice boho braid. Like I said, there are so many methods that you can try this out, but this is the method I showed you, and this is also how to make it. You don't have to be perfect, but it's going to look like a boho braid. So tell me what you think about this method in the comment section. If you have tried out any other method, also tell me in the comment section. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, guys, do subscribe to be part of this family, and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Until then, see you in my next video. Bye.